Dragging around a bulky ladder or feeling unsure about stability during simple jobs can make home projects far more frustrating than they should be. In this video, we're covering the 7 best telescoping ladders that help you reach higher more safely, store your ladder more easily, and handle everyday tasks with a lot less hassle. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Paley. When you only need a ladder for quick household jobs, dragging out a large traditional ladder can feel like more work than the project itself. This is exactly where a compact option like this starts to make a lot of sense. Paley is a strong pick for people who want something simple, portable, and practical for everyday use around the house. One of the biggest advantages here is convenience. Because it collapses down into a much smaller size, it is easier to keep in places where a normal ladder would be a nuisance. You can slide it behind a door, tuck it into a closet, or store it under furniture, which is a huge help if your garage or utility area is already crowded. It also gives you more flexibility than a fixed ladder. The independent locking system allows you to adjust the height step by step, which is useful when you do not always need the ladder fully extended. That can make smaller jobs feel easier and more controlled, whether you are changing a light bulb, cleaning windows, or reaching into the attic. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Recade 05. It is a strong option for buyers who want portability, but also want features that make the ladder feel more secure once it is in position. One of the first things that stands out is the hook design at the top. That added support can help the ladder feel more stable when you are using it against edges or corners, which is especially useful for certain indoor projects, roof access situations, or recreational uses like working around a recreational vehicle. Small details like that can make a big difference in how confident you feel while using the ladder. It is also a good fit for people who want something compact but still capable of handling a variety of tasks. Whether you are cleaning, organizing high shelves, doing maintenance work, or taking it along for camping use, it offers the kind of flexibility that makes a telescoping ladder worth owning in the first place. The aluminum construction helps keep it lighter and easier to carry, while the independent adjustment system allows better control when extending or retracting. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Sinmaerun. This pick offers a nice balance between compact design, safety features, and general versatility. One of its strongest selling points is the safety-focused build. The locking system is designed to make height adjustment easier, while helping prevent the pinching issues that can make some telescoping ladders feel awkward or intimidating. That matters a lot if you plan to use the ladder regularly and want the experience to feel smoother every time. It is also appealing because it stays practical in daily life. Once collapsed, it becomes compact enough to fit in a car trunk or tuck neatly into storage. That makes it a great choice for people who do not want a ladder permanently taking up valuable floor space in the garage, laundry room, or work area. Another advantage is how adaptable it is. This is the kind of ladder that works for home maintenance, painting, decorating, cleaning, and light commercial tasks without feeling overly specialized. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Extend and Climb. What makes it especially attractive is the overall polish of the design. The ladder is built to extend and lock by the foot, which gives you more control over the exact height you need. That helps when moving between different tasks in the same day. Whether you are working on trim, reaching roof edges, or handling maintenance in tighter spaces where a traditional extension ladder feels excessive. It also pays a lot of attention to usability. The carrying handle, durable finish, locking indicators, and no-pinch closure approach all help the ladder feel more refined in everyday operation. Those touches may not sound dramatic, but they are exactly the kinds of things that separate a more confidence-inspiring tool from one that feels merely functional. This is also a smart choice for people who want a telescoping ladder that feels ready for heavier use over time. Between the stronger materials, stable footing, and more contractor-friendly design, Extend and Climb is a great option for users who want to step up in overall quality and day-to-day confidence. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Sock Tone. Sometimes the biggest concern with a telescoping ladder is not storage or weight, it is wobble. If a ladder feels shaky, even simple tasks start to feel more stressful than they should. That is exactly why Sock Tone ranks this highly. It focuses on improving stability in a way that many buyers will immediately appreciate. The standout feature here is the use of stabilizers designed to reduce side-to-side movement. That matters because a steadier ladder does not just feel better. It also helps you focus more on the task instead of constantly thinking about balance. For homeowners and casual users, that added sense of control can make the ladder far more comfortable to use. It is also built for a broad range of everyday situations. Indoors, it can help with attic access, light fixtures, shelving, and general maintenance. Outdoors, it can support roof work, recreational vehicle access, and other common jobs where you need reach without dragging out something much larger and harder to store. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. High-low. High-low stands out because it focuses heavily on those practical details that improve the real user experience, especially when extending, retracting, and adjusting the ladder. One of its strongest advantages is the single-hand retraction system. That kind of feature can make a surprisingly big difference because collapsing a ladder is one of the moments when people often feel the least comfortable. A smoother, more controlled retraction process helps the ladder feel more user-friendly and less stressful to put away. It also offers strong physical support where it counts. The wide feet, stabilizing crosspiece, and wall protectors all help it feel more secure during use, while also reducing the chance of slipping or damaging surfaces. That combination is especially valuable for home users who want a ladder that feels dependable without needing to be a professional to handle it confidently. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Ricad 1720. The feature that really helps it stand out is the one-button retraction system. That makes this ladder feels more modern, more convenient, and much less fiddly than many traditional telescoping designs. When you are done with the job, being able to bring the ladder down smoothly and quickly is a major quality of life improvement. It also performs very well in terms of stability and everyday usability. The widened pedals, non-slip feet, handrail support, and added stabilizing structure all work together to make the ladder feel more confident underfoot. That is especially important if you plan to use it for more than quick indoor reach jobs and want something that feels more secure for frequent use. Another big reason it wins is versatility. It works for household cleaning, storage access, project work, and even outdoor or camping-related tasks. It is also lightweight enough to carry comfortably and compact enough to store without frustration. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best telescoping ladders you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.